Doll, please.
Hey, hello, welcome back to the channel. So today we're opening series 4. This is Miss Lila. I think she's freaking cute. I'm so excited. I'm just gonna get her out so we can take a better look. What the heck? So I've definitely seen some unboxings where people get a second pair of legs, but like seeing them in this bag is kind of weird. So here she is, still trapped in her box. I love her outfit. Like I said, I did not pay attention to her shoes. She literally has Crocs with freaking spikes on them. Okay, so here she is, and to fully appreciate her, we definitely have to take a look at her face. She has a cute little band-aid on her nose, and then these very cute stickers on her face. There's like flowers and a little cat, and on this side, flowers and a little heart. She has these cute little bangs, which I've seen styled a couple different ways, so maybe we'll dabble in changing those. And then her hair is in these cute little braided buns, which I think if we take down, she'll just have 2 braids. But honestly, it's kind of nice having a doll that I don't have to worry about her hair that much in terms of like brushing it. So like maybe she's gonna keep this style. I really do like her earrings. They are a flower with a chain that have an R on one side and an H on the other. She has this very chic, like lilac colored top that has rainbow high printed all over it and has some very cute buckles. She's wearing some leather gloves with little buckles on them and a leather purple skirt. And then like I said before, she has her platform Crocs that are black with spikes on them. I definitely did not notice this before, but one of her knees has a little crack on it. Okay, so here's her second outfit, which I think looks very beautiful. I'm excited to try this on her. This is the top. It is a very cute little short sleeve top. On the inside of it is this like silver dope pattern. The skirt is like a shorter piece underneath, and then this really beautiful pleated material on top. And then it comes with this fancy belt that has some bows on it. Purple's like my favorite color, so I love everything about this. And then here are the shoes. I'm leaving them in the little stand because I am gonna have to remember how to tie them when I put them on her. But I love the way that her outfits are a mix of modern and traditional and how everything is just so beautiful. The base of these shoes have a very cool flower pattern on them. They have the purple lace that goes around the ankles and then the little flower plate in the front. I think she's one of my favorite dolls so far. I will say it's interesting how I've opened all these dolls and only one of them has had hangers, and it was a boy doll. So I guess maybe they started doing hangers towards the beginning and then we're like, never mind. Let me know in the comments if you know what's up with the hanger situation. I'd like to know. We're gonna do some fashion shots of her in her second outfit. So stick around. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.